name is Viren Prajapat and I am working at Kian Technologies. Now I will show you the property management system where there are two dashboards. First we will go to the admin dashboard where admin can see his portfolio, the total tenants, monthly revenue and see their economic velocity. Then he can add the property and add tenants, lease, also add the lease and can generate invoices and list all and mark as paid or unpaid. Here is the maintenance section where you can add a maintenance task and see them. Also you can update it in expense section. You can add the expenses and see them. You can upload the document from here. And the role management, add a new user and give them the role. Now to the manager section, he can add the property, can also add the tenant and leases and work the maintenance system, also add new tickets and resolve the maintenance issues and upload documents here. So that's all about the property management system. So thank you.